Hi, good evening. I would like to invite you to watch the first results of my undergraduate research project regarding soil respiration in the context of ecosystem restoration. We evaluated the effects of a one-year active restoration process in an area previously used for cattle grazing in an alluvial valley in tropical mountain central Veracruz, Mexico. Middle soil respiration is compared between this site and two other sites, an understood forest as the reference ecosystem and a pasture actively grazed by cattle. We also explore the response of soil respiration to three main environmental controls, that is, soil water content, soil temperature, and air temperature. We hypothesized that midday soil respiration is higher at the grazing site, medium at the restored site, and lower at the undisturbed forest site. In the poster, you will see what we found after the first field campaign, which was done just a few weeks ago, where we used a portable trace gas analyzer paired with a survey chamber. With more measurements and analysis in the future, we hope to see if the active restoration process has made any significant differences with regards to the ecosystem functions such as soil carbon emissions. Also, whether the restoration site is functioning similarly to the reference ecosystem. We hope to see you in the full poster presentation and look forward to your questions.